We saw 40% crash in silver market last week. Compared to gold, there is more panic in silver market and we have big crash in silver compared to gold, almost 40%. If you see official statement from Fed Powell in FOMC, this is rare and this is the price you pay if you do not watch FOMC speech. You can see official statement where Powell say gold and silver. He replied, do not take much message macroeconomically. I give you challenge, just watch all FOMC speech from September 2022 till today and tell me which FOMC speech they were talking about gold and silver. I think this is rare. This is first time in last 3 years they're talking about gold and silver. Even intraday top came after FOMC speech. First he gave speech, crash triggered after that. Law of inverse, opposite language, which Powell always talk. Simply not the case, we are not losing credibility. Finally they panic after that speech when they say we do not spun up over particular asset price change. So all the news company, that is very funny, saying it is impossible for Fed Chair Powell to manipulate election. We saw in 2020 when Powell did QE for Trump election. We saw in 2024 where Powell did 50 basis point cut for Biden election, but Bloomberg is saying it is impossible. So either you read propaganda created by news company or narrative which everyone say debt, China central bank gold buying or never ending war news. Every month we have new war news. Problem is almost nobody talking about why suddenly Powell was talking about gold and silver price, asset price. They never talk about any asset price directly in FOMC speech. First it was Trump bonding. You can see all the premium update. I made a short video where Trump was panicking on dollar, where Trump officially said we are not concerned with dollar decline and where he officially used the word stagflation. So final intraday spike came after Trump's speech in all dollar pair. Even gold spike up to 5600, but crash came after that. Immediately after watching FOMC speech, I updated to premium member in full detail. Gold top coming soon after FOMC speech. Because I know if you make list 100 trader, then only 1 out of 100 trader will watch FOMC speech. Because nobody watch FOMC speech. You can see this latest propaganda created by Bloomberg. They are using the word impossible by Powell to trigger economic boom just before election. That level of propaganda you have in news company. Even when price was trading above $5,000, I updated again with weekly chart that there are only two support. You can see last 2 weeks price fully retraced and price dipped below 4700. More crash came even after this update. If you see chronological event, first Trump forecast stagflation which everyone ignore. Second, Powell in FOMC speech start talking about gold silver where they were talking about losing credibility. Gold gained 100% in last 1 year. Gold jumping at $100 per day speed. But Powell saying they are not losing credibility. Trump changed Fed chair, but that person saying not losing credibility. Clearly you can see no strong support before that. You know Kevin warsh, that was technical reaction what you saw last week after Friday market close. Kevin warsh have triggered a global panic. I think Monday you can see more selling pressure. We don't know who are seller. They are bank who are selling gold or these are central bank secretary selling gold. We don't know, but if there is more selling pressure, at least wait this week, at least minimum Monday. You have to see how much selling pressure we see on Monday. I don't think buyers will come very easily. This is end of stagflation. If you see with silver example, because Powell used both asset price, gold and silver both. We have only 3 spike. First one was your stagflation, when investor dump dollar and buy gold. Panic was so high, not just gold, investors start buying silver when they panic. And this is second time. And this 40% crash, especially after Kevin Warsh's official announcement, almost all public know we have new facts here. Friday closing, which confirmed that was crash. We can say market fully confirmed, give a strong signal to Trump. Kevin Warsh is a right choice. And this thing confirmed Powell lost all credibility. Market lost all faith in Powell. And silver reaction last week you saw 40% crash. This is like emergency rate hike. For everyone, either viewer or trader, it is easy to talk about debt, never ending war news, central bank gold buying. But I was reading a book last night, very short book, in 2 hours you can finish this book, where they talk about history, Milton Friedman review of last stagflation crisis under Orton 1 and Paul Volcker. You can read at least this one paragraph. If they can force Paul Volcker to manipulate interest rate for election purpose, if they can force Powell to manipulate interest rate with election purpose, then why market is blindly believing in wars? Wars will not do political decision in election year. You can call it anything, your choice. You can call it technical correction, end of a bull market or end of a bubble. But I will call it stagflation, same to same like last time. We saw 40% crash in silver. We saw $900 dump in gold. Money came out of precious metal, but where that money is going, you have to see. That money will go back to dollar or not. That money will go back to US 10-year bond yield or not. Otherwise, what is the point of changing a Fed chair? And most important, in beginning of the year I explained in a video, watch carefully after Kevin Warsh's announcement. If China central bank stop buying gold or news come they are dumping gold, that will be shocking because it is just a beginning. You can see what happened last time. Now let's see this thing on intraday chart how you will trade. 5100 most important static resistance. As long as price trading below this area, it is bearish. And if there are selling pressure, then watch carefully how price react to this area. And like that premium post, you can see that weekly candlestick fully retrace, full dump. So support come near 4700. And immediately last week you saw when price hit psychological level 4700, immediately you saw buying pressure. This is happening before Friday close. You saw logic why investors were dumping gold, because it is end of stagflation. I gave so much warning before crash. And why buying coming again on 4700. I just explained with example of this book. Everyone know in election year 2028, same wars will be doing political rate cut. This is temporary correction, short-term sell off, nothing else. If that is the case, two type of market here, where investor sell narrative, sell wars news at 5100, where long-term buyer they know election year they buy again near 4700. So below 4700 you will not sell. You will trade with bullish bias. And now look at this 200 EMA on H4. This is like magic. So much crash, so much panic, almost $900 crash. Still 200 EMA was working like sea floor like steel. So technically either you see 4700 psychological level or 200 EMA. That is your support area. And after this $900 crash, I can say this is pure panic. This is highest level panic we ever saw in gold. Even if gold dip below 4700 on Monday, possible people read news after Friday close, they react to wars, they panic more, dump more. Below 4700 do not sell. Trade with bullish bias. And most important part, on daily time frame you can see this trend line, super strong trend line. You have 47 support area, 51 resistance area. High chance some people will sell again after Monday market open, but that will be FOMO selling. Watch carefully how price react on this trend line. That is your support. On daily you have a trend line. If selling pressure continue this week, then we can have engulfing pattern near 4700, or buyers secretly start buying on 4700 due to election politics. Then sideways price can close again near $5,000 level. Another part, you can see there was clear sell signal in Euro USD daily chart, and you can see big vertical red line last Friday. So they dumped silver, they dumped gold. So money came out of precious metal, where that money is going back to US dollar. So price failed big way from trend line, wait for retracement. I think Friday before closing market reaction was super panic. I think everything will make correction. On retracement you can start selling again. But if you sold after FOMC speech, after this signal, then take some profit, because now price there almost 1.18 support area. It can bounce. For next entry, wait for retracement.